Good day, everyone. Scout has yet another update regarding sorting publications, and this time it's for the tab for patents. Now, in order to access the new feature, you need to go to Fields, click on this item, Patent Family, until it turns green. Now you have the item showing up on the list, and if you're sorting by relevance or sorting by this new indicator, things will look slightly different. And the advantage for that, obviously, is that once you encounter two items with the same family ID, it means that one of them has been derived from the other, or they have a strong relationship in the development and evolution of this technology. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you very much for listening.